How to fix Facebook Messenger something went wrong. Open settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and after that scroll all the way until you find the Messenger. When you find Messenger just click on it like this and then click on force stop to stop the app from running in the background of your phone. After that, go down to the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, go back, click on data usage. Also right here, make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data especially are enabled. Go back and then click on the internal storage, click on clear cache, go back to the settings, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it after 2 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe.